Hey there, this is Don Jackson with DJs Auto. So with the Saudi Arabia tax and the gas prices going up because of that, I wanted to come and talk to you about how can you get the most out of your gas tank in mileage. One of the things that you could do that's probably one of the most important is go to a top tier gas station. Now, what is a top tier gas station? Top tier gas stations are gas stations that put additives in their gas. They cost about 1 to 2 cents more per gallon. So is it worth it? Yes, without a doubt. And every website that you go to will prove that. They all say it's worth it. Because what it does is it takes all your carbon buildup and it decreases it, if not eliminates it. So here's Consumer Reports right here. What they're basically stating, this is your engine valves. And what they're basically stating is on a non-top tier gasoline, they went 4,000 miles on it, it's got all the buildup. On a top tier gasoline, it does not. And this is what a new valve looks like. So you can see the difference. It's almost clean on the top tier versus the new valve and all. So we suggest you go to a top tier. Your Exxon, your Shell stations, your Texacos, your Valeros, instead of your non-top tiers, your Kroger's, your Walmart. And I'm not saying those are bad places. All I'm trying to say is that those places just don't put the additives that the other places do. And that those additives are the best thing for your car. You'll get better gas mileage. Don Jackson at DJs Auto.